In today's video, I'll be taking a trip to Ikea. Come along with me to see the latest design and decor trends for 2022. We'll browse Ikea showrooms, check out the latest products, and see what design inspirations we can find. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I do all things crafting, design, and DIY. So let's go see what we can find. In the entryway of my Ikea, they had these shelves displayed. I like these shelves that have the two-tone look to them. They're gray with a wood finish on the front. I don't know if this is a new trend, but at least it's new to me because I don't think I've ever seen this before, but I really did like this look of the shelving. Browsing Ikea showrooms is a great way to find design inspiration. It gives you an idea of how they use their products and how to style the shelves and lay out, different patterns, fabrics, decor items. One trend that I noticed is this pegboard system that Ikea sells. They were using them all through their showrooms in all different kinds of applications. They can be used in kitchens, home offices, anywhere that you kind of want to store something on the wall. You can see here a full wall application of this pegboard system. They also sell accessories for the pegboard, like these little containers. The Ikea website has this listed as one of their top selling items, and it comes in white as well as a neutral color. Shades of green are definitely the trend this year. This room is a great example of how you can use like a color as your accent, but you don't have to actually bring in the color in any of your main decor pieces. So your bedding, your bed frame, everything in the room can be neutral, and then you just bring in green as your accent on your wall and with your accessories. The only items that are really green in this room are the wall color, a few accent pieces, and then it's accentuated with lots of plants. Keeping your main decor pieces in a room neutral allows you to completely change the look of a space by just painting the walls and bringing in some different color accents. I like how this space has a classic yet elegant look to it, and at the same time, it still has a very casual feel. I like the shade of blue on the walls, and it goes good with the dark wood furniture. I love this wall of frames. The blue with the gold frames and the black and white photography, it really makes it just a beautiful accent wall. I really like how this room is styled. I love the hints of green and the wallpaper. This cabinet under the TV is just great. It's got multifunctional use. You can store dishes in it, or you could have like things for your TV entertainment system as well. I love that there's lights in it, and you can see these hints of green glass that really just like pull the room together. That's one thing I love about a lot of Ikea's items, is that you can style them and use them in so many different ways. And then this little coffee table, it's only, I believe, $54, and it was like a nice small compact one, but yet still had storage underneath that you could put some blankets or some baskets, so I thought that was a great find. I really love the black shelving, especially with the wood accent on it, and just how they bring in the neutrals from the baskets with the green plants. I just love this look. I really like this glass dome, and then you can put some succulents in it. I think the glass dome is like $14.99, and the succulents are about $3 to $4 a piece. Adding plants to a space is a great way to add a natural, earthy vibe and also a little pop of color. Whether they're real or artificial, they just bring in that really natural, earthy vibe. A lot of the rooms at Ikea right now were styled with tons of these artificial plants. I love these planters. There's a small version and a larger version, and a lot of like macrame hangings to put pots in. Plants just make great decor and accent pieces for almost any space. This room has a darker color palette, but it has that really relaxing feel to it. It's like modern, but the pops of blue just give it a nice relaxing feel. This room again shows that green that's so in trend this year. And again, this is an example of how you can just bring that color in if you want to, with just some paint on the walls, a little bit of accents, some throw pillows. None of your major items need to have that color, so that if you decide you no longer want this color, you can easily change the whole space just by, changing some of your linens, pillows, and repainting your room. That way you can change the look of a space without having to invest a whole lot of money. I liked the use of these shelves on the walls. The way they're styled, they add a lot of interest. They're mixing different types of shelves. The shelves are going different directions. I just really liked the way that looked. Again, another great way to style with plants. And I actually bought this planter. I thought this room just had a really pretty traditional style to it. It's classic looking. It's a great use of the color red, which can be a trickier color to pull off. This is a great example of how a large print wallpaper can really add something to a space. I thought this coffee table was neat. You can open it up and store kids' toys, books, blankets, anything you want inside. I really like this lamp, and I saw it used in a lot of the spaces throughout the showrooms. Here's a great example of how you can lay out a home office. It has seating, a table, and it makes great use of shelving. This bed caught my attention. It looks like a daybed or sofa, but it can actually become 2 twin beds. This is perfect for a small space or a home office if you would need extra space if you have guests coming to stay. And it's sold as one set. So for $149, you get the 2 pieces. And they could be made into 1 bed or into 2. If you're looking for home office furniture or desks, Ikea sells all different kinds of tables and desks that you can mix and match, different color tops, different color legs, different sizes. They also have some stuff for children's rooms. Their selection though was very much lacking, I felt, this time when I went there. There really wasn't that many displays showcasing the children's stuff. I did see this little dollhouse that you can attach to the wall, and they even sell the little Ikea furniture that you could put in the house. Also, this really cute little ceramic or porcelain tea set for kids I just thought was so cute. Here's just some examples of some little patio spaces, outdoor areas that they had set up. And they sell these decorative panels of these plants if you want to put them on a wall or make a full wall like they did here. You can basically design your whole kitchen at Ikea. They have countertops you can pick from, cabinet doors, drawers, different colors of them, different styles. You can buy your faucets, your sinks, and they even have appliances that you can purchase there. So you can really just make over your whole kitchen with things from Ikea. Ikea is just a great place to go, browse ideas, come up with things that you might not have thought of, and different ways to use furniture. If you've never been, it's definitely worth going and seeing, especially if you live close enough to one. There's been times I go in there and I think I'm gonna buy something, and then I see how they're using it, and a light bulb moment goes off and I realize, oh, I could style it like this. So it's just a great place to really get some of that design inspiration and see how they really use the products. If you've enjoyed today's video, I hope you'll consider subscribing to the channel, give the video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and have a great day.